We'll discuss NCRT exercise 7.5 from application of integrals. In that, it's basically the integration with the help of partial fraction. So, if you look, we do partial fraction with formulas, but here what we can do it is without this is the question 3 without using formula. You just follow the step, it will help you a lot. So it is integration of 1 divided by x square minus 9. So what we can do it is that we'll factorize x square minus 9 as x minus 3 into x plus 3. That's, I hope all of you know. It's like it's with the help of a square minus b square we can always write with the help of a square minus b square we can always write that that it is a minus b to a plus b. Now the challenge is that the numerator, if you look at the numerator, that is 1 divided by x minus 3 into x plus 3. We have to write the numerator in terms of this constant. Say I can write something like a minus b divided by, or a b will be very easy to split. That's partial fraction, that is a divided by ab minus b divided by ab. So it's very easy to divide, very easy to split. So to do that, what we are doing, if you look at it, we just checked that x minus 3 minus of x plus 3 is equal to 6. So if you open the bracket, it is nothing but x plus 3 minus x plus 3. Minus of minus will become plus, so this get cancelled, so it is 6. So in the numerator 6 is not there. In the question, in the numerator 6 is not there. So what we are going to do, we are going to multiply 6 and divide by 6. Okay, so outside we can write 6, so it is x plus 3 into x minus 3. Okay, so for that what we can do it is that, look at it, this can I write it, what I wrote, the numerator as x plus 3. So it is 1 by x square minus 9. So I wrote 1 by 6 here, and the numerator we can write it as x minus 3 into x plus 3 into x of minus 3. So if you split it, it is x plus 3 divided by, so this x plus 3 get cancelled, and here this x minus 3 get cancelled. So left out will be how much? 1 by 6 into x minus 3 into minus of x plus 3. So we are cancelling the terms, we are splitting and then cancelling the terms. So now after that what comes? The integration part comes. So what we can do, the integration of, I hope all of you remember, integration of 1 by x minus 3 dx. Can I write? If you have a doubt, we can write this is like d of x minus 3 by x minus 3. Means differentiation of x and constant, or as you do by putting z, you can do it like z is equal to x minus 3. So dz is equal to dx. So it is integration of dz by z minus 3. Sorry, integration of dz by z, which is log z. So in that case, we get 1 by 6 of ln of x minus 3 into ln of x plus 3. So if you open the bracket, it is like 1 by x square minus 9 into dx into 1 by, how we can write like this, it is like log a minus log b is equal to log of a by b. By that we'll be able to write. So you get the answer. So this is a technique to do the problems, without actually using the formula. So this we can do a few problems based on it so that you understand it better. So now I'm going to the question number 1 in the same NCERT 7.5. That's from the new book. You can check. Now, very, very interestingly, if you look at it, the question is x by, x by what's called, choose pen. Probably that works better. X by. So these are the two things, x plus 1. Now let's see how to write the numerator. The numerator is x, and the denominator. So I gave you the trick is that you have to cancel the one of the term from the denominator. So what technique we are applying is I'm just writing x plus 1 into this. So what happens in this, if you write x plus 1 into this and open the bracket, this x plus 1 will get cancelled. That's the trick. So if you look at it, if you open the bracket, this and this will get cancelled. So left out is 1 by x plus 2 in minus of 1 by x plus 1. This part I'm talking 1 by x plus 1 into x plus 2. So that 1 again we can write as the previous, the technique what I told you. That is x plus 2 minus of x plus 1 is equal to 1. So 1 divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2. This is x plus 2 minus x plus 1. It's very easy to understand for the students who have a difficulty in remembering the pattern and you just want to do without knowing any pattern or any formula. So any formula. So here again if I split it, I think you can easily understand. I'm writing this step so that you better understand. So x plus 2 into x plus 1 into x plus 2 minus of x plus 1 into x plus 1 into x plus 2. So x plus 1 get cancelled, x plus 2 get cancelled. So it will be 1 by x plus 1 minus of 1 by x plus 2. So we got this is this one. So we'll substitute in that. Okay. So the substitution means we'll just write the first term, that is 1 upon 1 by x plus 2 minus of 1 by x plus 1 minus x plus 2. If you open the bracket, this minus and this minus will become plus. So we wrote plus of x plus 2 minus of 1 plus. So and we know the integration of dx divided by x plus 1. Just now we did it, it is log of x plus 1. Okay. And integration of dx divided by x plus 2 will be equal to log of x plus 2. Okay. So we can just split it. This, right. So here it comes integration, right, minus of log x plus 1 and 2 times of log x plus 2. But you need to simplify it. So if you write minus log a plus 2 times of log b, this goes to the exponent power, that is b square, and you can tell log of b minus log a, ln or log, whatever you can use. Okay, log of b square divided by a. So whenever minus will be there, it goes down. So this is the answer, that is in place of b I put x plus 2. So x plus 2 the whole square, and mod you have to write because it's positive for all values. So this is the previous problem. Now we'll go to next one. So that question number 5, very very interesting. It is like you know, 2x, okay, 2x divided by x square plus 3x plus 2. Whether it is factorizable or not, we'll do it. So if it is given in the quadratic form, you need to factorize it. You need to factorize it. Okay. So now x square plus 3x plus 2. So that's middle term factor. Those who have a doubt in that, we can do x square plus 2x plus x plus 2. We can club these two terms together, this term together. So if you take x common, it is x plus 2. If you take 1 common, it is x plus 2. From both, if I take x plus 2 common, which I have taken here, is x plus 1 left out. And that's quite simple. So first thing is that factorize the denominator, which we did it. Okay? So this is step 1. What about step 2? Is we have to match like the previously as we were talking. We have to match with the denominator so that one term get cancelled. So our target is to cancel this one, x plus 1. So what we did it here, if you look at it, we wrote 2x is equal to, numerator was 2x, isn't it? The numerator is 2x and I wrote 2 times of x plus 1 minus 2. Why minus 2? If you open the bracket, this it will become 2x plus 2 minus 2. So this get cancelled. So it comes 2x. Now, as it was given here, 2 to get cancelled, so it comes 2x. So this is 2x plus 1, 2 times of x plus 1 minus 2. The objective is very clear because we want to cancel this x plus 1. Now we have to split the fraction. This is the step 3. You can remember like this stepwise so that you have a better way of solving the problem without using formula. Now this is 2 times of x plus 1 divided by this x plus 1 into x plus 2. So obviously this term and this term, this is the objective. So 2 times of x plus 1 get cancelled. So you get how much? 2 times of divided by this. So 2 times of 2 divided by x plus 2. That I wrote it like this. Am I right? Here the split 2 times of x plus 2. So it will become 2 by x plus 2 minus of 2 times of x plus 1 into x plus 2. So we split it. Now what we can do is that the remaining term we can do, what was the second term was there. If you look at it, this was the second term, 1 by x plus 1 into x plus 2. So again the same thing, by this time you have realized how am I doing. I can write x plus 2 minus of x plus 1 because x and x will get cancelled, so 1 will remain. It's the same thing what I did it here. So if you split it, it will be 1 upon x plus 1, am I right? And 1 minus 1 upon x plus 2. So if you look at the full splitting part, here whatever we wrote is this, and here what we can do it is that this 2x plus 1 by x, x plus 1 into x plus 2, we can split as earlier, 2 divided by x plus 2, and this is 2 times because of this 2. Okay, so we wrote 2 times of 1 by x plus 1 minus 1 by x plus 2. So you can follow the steps like that. If you open the bracket, here it will come 2 divided by x plus 2, open the bracket minus, and I hope you understand that here this minus and this minus will become plus. Minus into minus is plus. For that reason, here we wrote plus. So it is 2 divided by x plus 2. So coming back to the point is, there is charge is low. So what we can do it is that it is, if you integrate now, it's quite easy, am I right? We split this 4, am I right? Whatever the expression I got it, we have to integrate that, isn't it? Here we have to integrate this expression. So 4 divided by x plus 2. So we'll split it 4 divided by this time you understand that integration of 1 by x plus 2 is integration of 1 by x plus 2 and integration of 1 by x plus 1 dx, obviously I should write, is nothing but 2 ln of this divided by this. So you can get it by this way. So it is integration of 2x divided by x square plus, this 3x plus 2 will become ln of, okay, I'll explain this part. So it is like 4 times of ln A minus 2 times of ln B. So can I write ln A whole to the power 4? Whenever it's multiplied goes to the power, and n b square, and ln A minus ln B, you remember it as ln of A to the power 4. It will be division. If it is plus, it will be multiplication. If it is minus, it will be division. So it is obviously in place of A, I wrote x plus 2 whole to the power 4 divided by x plus 1 whole to the power 4. So this is this problem. Now we'll go to question number 22 on the same pattern, and it is an objective with a few options. So this is the question: x divided by x minus 1 into x minus 2. So what's the objective is that we take your pen and try to do the problem step by step. So what is the first step? We have to cancel the first term in the denominator, that is x minus 1. That is what? X minus 1. So in the numerator, I have to write x minus 1. That's what we are doing here. I wrote x minus 1. If you are writing minus 1, you cannot get extra term. You have to write plus 1, because the minus 1 and the plus 1 get cancelled. So it comes to be x minus 1 into x plus 1. So here it comes, this x minus 1, this x minus 1 get cancelled. After splitting, this is the split part. If you cancel, you'll get 1 by x plus 2 divided by 1 by x. Can you just let me know? Just stop watching just pause the video, and how to do this. Pause. Think what. So again the numerator, we have to write the numerator in terms of the denominator, these two terms, isn't it? So the idea to write is x minus 1 is there and x minus 2 is there. So you need to subtract in such a way so that the resultant come how much? 1. So this is x minus 1, this is x minus 2. You may think why we wrote. Let's see x minus 1. If you open the bracket, this is x minus 1, this is plus 2. Minus of minus is plus. So this get cancelled. So it comes out to be, plus 1. So it is 1 divided by x minus 1 into x minus 2. If you open this kind of stuff will come because of difference, and then again we'll split this part also as we learned. So it is, I think, that get cancelled and it become how much? If you have a doubt, we'll write it is x minus 1 minus x minus 2 divided by x minus 1 into x minus 2. If you further split it, It is x minus 1 divided by, x minus 1 into x minus 2 into minus x minus 2 divided by x minus 1 into x minus 2. So this get cancelled. Here x, so it will be 1 by x minus 2, and this will be 1 by x minus 1. That's okay. So if you combine every term, all the terms, earlier it was, if you recall, it was 1 by x minus 2, and the later terms are this. So this and this gets added. So 1 by x minus 2 by 1 minus x minus 2 is this 2 divided by x minus 2 minus, let's concentrate, minus 1 by x minus 1. So coming back to the, the integration part, as we have already discussed, we know the integration of dx divided by x minus 2 is equal to, log of x minus 2, and integration of dx by x minus 1 is equal to log of x minus 1. Okay, so if you do it, you will get 2 times of log this, right, and 2 times, sorry, and ln of this. Ln means natural log, so no need to worry. It's like log to the base e, that log x to the base e, that is only natural log. So it comes here, and I hope you can understand here as earlier, 2 ln a minus ln b, which comes out to be ln a square minus ln b, so which comes out to be ln of a square by b. So if you can write like this, you'll get this answer. And that's for today.